What's up, family? So today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a kerosene lamp space heater, okay? And it's going to be a short video. Here's about all you need is a pair of pliers and a flathead screwdriver or Phillips and your wick. So we start by removing this lid here. Poof. Okay, and as you see when you look inside, you will have this burner cap. You can easily reach in here. It just sits on top. You can pull it out. And now under here, you have your burner. Now in order to get to this burner, you must take this outside sleeve off. There are two screws on the right hand side and on the left hand side. Well, you're looking at the front. So I got the screws from the side over here. Alright, put them on a pan lid, screwdriver. Now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to just pull this off. It slides right off, super simple. Place that to the side, facing in front so you won't confuse it. Now here is the burner part. This lifts right off. Okay, this is just a casing area. Alright, I like to stick that inside so we don't lose it. Now we come to this here. We take this outside sleeve here off. Okay, but first, this knob. Wiggle it back and forth a bit. And there it comes. So, place that in there. Now I'm going to slide this casing off. Alright, got to be mindful here. Alright, I'll put that right in front of here so we can see that. Okay, now if you look, you'll see wing nuts in this area. You know, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is where my pliers come in handy. And I'm taking my last wing nut off before placing it in that tray again, so I do not lose anything. Back up to here now. You'll see that you can grab this at the top and just wiggle your way through here. Right, it may be a bit seated on. I'll wiggle that and this whole piece will come on. Boom. And inside there is your wick. Your wick's right here. If you don't have one, call John. I'm sure he's got a few. So I pulled the whole casing off. This is what it looks like here with the wick hanging out the bottom. I'm just going to pull this casing from the inside here. Boom. There's the wick. Here's the inside casing. If you notice, you'll have some groove holes in here. Right? There's holes also right here. Okay? So inside there, you have these buttons. Okay, you want to line these buttons right here up with the insides of these holes. Right there. With these lined up in there. It's super simple. Just stick one on that side and then proceed to get to the next. So once you have your first one and second one in there, boom, boom, you have your third right here, as you see. And I'm seating it inside that hole right there. Boom, and you'll hear it clicking. So once you're finished and it's complete, this is what you want it to look like inside. Okay, now I'm going to bring this over, right? With my wick here at the bottom, and my canister there, my fuel tank at the bottom. I'm going to slide this wick over the top of this as such. Then I will proceed to pull the bottom of it here down over that so it'll be a full sleeve. Very important. Make sure that your holes are lined up already. Okay, with your bolts needing to go down And all your switches in the proper area, facing to the left of this gas tank. So once you have everything set on here correctly, go ahead and proceed to put your wing nuts back on all your corners. Okay, I've got my top back on. So now I'm proceeding to slide my casing over this here. Boom, get everything on nice and tightened up. Make sure your brackets are, make sure your brackets are on the inside. These black pieces, because you're going to need them. Go ahead and grab your sleeve now and slide this on. And you can see where this shall match up and fall into place. Poof. Proceed to grab your screws and screw them in right in there. Now I'm going to put my burner piece on top. Once you lay it in there, poof. Like voila. Now you can see that spring here. That's what you need. You can close that up. Put our cap back on here. Just wiggle it on and just tap it so slightly. Just give it a little tappy. Taparoo. Just tap it in. Alright. Thank y'all very much for watching. And that puts the lid on things. Thank you, family. Love you. By the way, you're going to get your hands dirty. One love.